Hello students, welcome to my channel, A Piece of Math. In this video, I will teach how to write a ratio in simplest form. Before we start, let's remember the definition of ratio. Ratio is the comparison of two quantities in division form. For example, the number of boys to girls in a classroom. To understand better, let's solve these 8 questions. So first 4 questions about the shapes over here, and the last 4 questions about this table. Question 1. The ratio of triangles to squares. To be able to write the ratio of triangles to squares, we need to know how many triangles do we have here. So we have 1, 2, 3 triangles. So we write 3, 2. The number of squares. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares. So 3, 2, 6. We can also write the ratio in different forms, such as 3 to 6 or 3 over 6. And if it's possible to simplify it, we also should simplify it and write it in simplest form. So 3 over 6, we can divide both numbers by 3, since 3 is the factor of both. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the ratio of triangles to squares is 1 over 2, which also means we have 2 times more squares than triangles. Question 2. The ratio of squares to triangles. Right now, for this question, we are going to write the number of squares, which we already did. It is 6. 6, 2. Number of triangles. We know it's 3. So we can also write this one as 6 to 3 or 6 over 3. As we did for the previous question, we should simplify if it is possible. So let's divide both numbers by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 divided by 3 is 1. We may leave that as 2 over 1 or 2. As you see, question 1 and question 2 is pretty similar to each other, the ratio of triangles to squares and the ratio of squares to triangles. So the first term should be always numerator. And the second word represent the denominator. So the order of words matters in this concept. So the ratio of squares, as you see, we have squares will be your numerator, triangles, it will be your denominator. Next one, the ratio of triangles to circles. We have 3 triangles, 3, 2 circles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3, 2, 9. Since triangles come first, we write a triangle, number of triangles here, and number of circles next. 3 to 9, or 3 to 9 another form, or 3 over 9. So as you see, we can simplify this one also by 3. It will be 1 over 3, which means we have 3 times more circle than triangles. So next question, the ratio of squares to circles. So first squares come. We have 6 squares, 6 to number of circles, we already know 9, 6 to 9. We can write that 6 to 9 or 6 over 9. Let's simplify that by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 2 over 3. So be careful for this kind of questions. Again, whichever word comes first, that is going to be your numerator. And second word will be your denominator. If they change the order of words, it also changed the final answer. Another question is about a table. So in this table we have pet, which represent dogs, cats, and birds. And the second column shows number sold. So they sold 15 dogs, 10 cats, 5 birds. So this is a table, and we can see that information on that. Questions are the ratio of dogs to cats. So number of dogs sold in that current week or day, we don't know that part. So the number of dogs sold is 15. This time we don't need to count, they already provide that information to us. So 15 to cats. They sold 10 cats. 15 to 10. Or 15 to 10. We can also write this expression 15 over 10. So as you know, 15 over 10, we can simplify that more with 5, since 5 is the factor of both numbers. Also, we call that GCF, greatest common factor of both of these numbers. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So our final answer in simplest form, 3 over 2. As you see, we don't have 3 dogs over here or 2 cats. The ratio of them is still 15 to 10. But since we are writing our answer in simplest form, it will turn into 3 over 2. The ratio of dogs to birds. So we have 15 dogs, 15 to birds, 5. 15 to 5 or 15 to 5 or 15 over 5. So we can simplify this fraction by 5 again. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Next question, the ratio of cats to birds. So we have 10 cats. They sold 10 cats. 10 to 5. So the ratio of cats to birds is 10 to 5. We can write that expression as 10 to 5 in this form, or 10 over 5. And if we simplify that by 5, it will be 2 over 1. And the last question, the ratio of cats to dogs. So we have 10 cats, 10 to dogs, 15 dogs. So 10 to 15 or 10 to 15. Also, we can write that as a fraction, 10 over 15. And if we simplify that by 5, which is the, again, greatest common factor of 10 and 15, 2 over 3. And that's it for today's video. If you like the video, please like and share it with your friends. And if you want to support my channel, please subscribe. Have a nice day.